welcome to our YouTube channel. Us doing what did you say? Repairs with Gracie and Hunter.
Come on. We got a simple hinge repair here. We had a loose hinge from Hunter throwing a fit. Gracie's going to take the Phillips drive screw approximately 2 inches and she's going to drive it right back in there. There we go. Now hit go. See how she keeps it square, the drill square to the screw. Pushes in, keep going there. Just keep going until it's flush. There we go. We got success. Hunter, you're up. Let's get this next one.
Okay.
Here goes Hunter.
Done? Yeah.
Pull the trigger. Oh, you gotta keep her squared up there. You're doing good. Just keep that squared in there.
Okay.
You gotta push a little. There you go. Okay, let's get this last screw in, guys.
Okay. I'll do it with him. No, I don't want you to do this.
Yeah, keep the drill straight with the screw.
Can we do this one together?
Okay, Gracie, help him keep it straight.
One.
Okay, you gotta keep it straight. That's what you don't want to do. That's what we're showing you now. Good job, Gracie. You want to show people what not to do. So now you gotta keep it straight with the screw. There we go, guys.
Yep.
There's our door repair. Let's check it out.
Okay. I don't know what it was before.
Boom.
It's hard to close.
Success.
It's hard to close.
Thanks for watching.
Oh, he can't slam this.